Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off web search history on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to turn off web search history on Skype can help protect your privacy and prevent the application from storing your search activity. It can also reduce clutter within the application and prevent others from accessing your search history if they have access to your device. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, enter to the Skype app on your device. Well, so here tap on profile icon at the corner and then look for settings option. Tap on it. Well, so in this page, select general menu and simply turn the toggle next to this option off. Okay, so now the web search history on your Skype account is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off web search history on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.